O'Keefe flowers with lines and organic shapes. Through your Clever account, get onto Sketchpad and click the plus sign to add a new page. We want to use letter size, and with your magnifying glass, zoom out. Here I am going into a new tab and clicking on the link in your PowerPoint to access some flowers that you can be inspired by. Scroll down to find a flower that you like. Once you find a flower that you like, you're going to pull down on the tab and shrink it down so that you can see both windows at the same time. So open up your Sketchpad, shrink your Sketchpad tab down, and shrink down your flower. Notice how I clicked on the 100% to shrink the image on the Word document. Adjust your screen so that you can see both images very clearly. Now click on the paint bucket and select a color for your background. Now click on the feather tool or whatever tool you were using last and find your paintbrush tool. You're going to be using the paintbrush tool to create most of your painting. Make sure you resize your paintbrush and you should be painting what you see in the picture. Use whatever colors you see and whatever shapes and lines you see. Remember that you are looking for the organic shapes and the curvy lines. In this demonstration, I'm trying to make my flower look very similar to the flower that is in the picture. However, you do not have to do this. Georgia O'Keeffe is known for making her flowers very colorful and abstract. They don't look exactly like a realistic flower, so you can change the color of your flower to suit whatever creative needs you want to express. Remember that you're making a close-up of a flower, so I should not be able to see the entire flower in your picture, just a part of it. Don't forget to save your artwork when you're done. When you finish, go down to the Export button and save as a JPEG. Then click Show in Folder and scroll down to rename your photo. X out and go into your Google Classroom, find the assignment, and upload your photo into that assignment. Click on Classwork, find the activity, click Add or Create, Google Drive, and it should be in your Recents. Double click and turn it in.